Dude, these clamps are a total pain in the butt to work with. But if you have this tool, it's actually quite easy. Check this out. I'm just gonna squeeze the clamp lever right here, right? Or the clamp lever, the clamp tool. And look what happens. Ooh. And you can actually lock this, all right? So you can leave it like that, right? So if you're removing big freaking clamps like these, especially in like super stupid areas where you can't get a needle nose, this tool right here is so freaking awesome, dude. I found this on, I think, Amazon. You can see the brand right there. All right, I'm not sure what that says, but that's the brand. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how this works real time. So way down here, we got this hose and we need to put this clamp over it. So I'm just gonna squeeze this guy and slide this dude over. Okay, come on. Hose is kind of flared open, but you get what I'm saying. Look how much easier this is to work with versus having to fight your, say, oh man, my gloves got stuck. My gloves, no. Gloves, there you go. Okay, come on. Instead of having to fight, say, pliers to try to get in here. Huh, see that? Easy-ish.